are now going to look at the inheritance of sex. So you know that in the world there are only two types of gender, which is the male and a female. So you know that if you are a male, you would have in your chromosomes an X and a Y. But if you are a female, then you have two X's. Okay, so example. Now, if you look at the example, you're going to see what I want to talk about. A couple has three sons. So a mother and a father, they've got three little boys or older boys, but they've got three boys. And the woman is pregnant again. So now show diagrammatically by means of a genetic cross what the percentage chance is of the couple having a baby girl. So now you need to show the percentage here is always 50, but you need to show that it is 50 by using the steps that I've been showing you. So you would do the very same thing as we've been solving genetic problems, writing 7 lines and writing the concepts as well. We know it, so I'm not gonna rewrite the 7 lines and so on. So this is how you're going to do. You write 7 lines: 1, 2, your genotype; 3, your meiosis; 4, your gametes; 5, your fertilization; 6, your genotype; and 7, your phenotype. And again, you need to indicate P1 and F1. So now you know that if you're a man, you would have X and a Y. But if you're a female, you would have X and an X. Okay, so this is the difference. So then please note that if you are female, uma ngabe umama uba no X about 2, uma ngabe ubaba uba no X no Y. So which shows that kahle kahle uma ngabe uthola ingane yomfana kuyakhombisa ukuthi ingane yomfana kahle kahle ayiphumi kumama, because umama angakwazi ukunika ingane yentombazane kuphela njengoba umama enabo X abawu2, angithi uyabona. So ubaba uno X no Y, so kusho ukuthi kulele kubaba ukuthi ingane ibe umfana, njengoba lana nje abafana abawu3 balabazali. So it means ubaba ilo Y kababa, because remember ukuthi uma uzothola ingane fanele ibe nama gametes, ibe i-chromosome eyodwa iqhamuke kubaba, i-chromosome enye iqhamuke kumama. So umama njalo uhleze ezonika u-X, ubaba uzonika either X noma uzonika u-Y. So kulele kubaba ukuthi ingane izoba yini, izoba umfana noma izoba yini. Okuchaza ukuthi njengoba la benama 3 sons, ubaba kulama sons awu3 uyena uhleze ekhipha lo Y. So manje bathi show in a genetic cross what the percentage chance of the couple having a baby girl. So if percentage is always 50, but then you need to show. So uzolandela lama steps again. So if phenotype, you know that it's expressed in a word form, which is male and a female. Okay, so you know that the female is always XY, the male is always XY, the female is XX. Okay, so then meiosis take place, and then your gametes will be X and Y, or else you can write it as X, Y. Okay, and then here your gametes will be then just an X. So you can also use a Punnett squared as usual. So you use the Punnett squared, you write your gametes, and here you would have X no Y. La you would have X no X. So if you would cross this X and an X, uzothola X and an X. This cross and this X and an X. Okay, crossing X and an X. Crossing X and Y, uzothola X and Y. Crossing Y and X, uzothola X and Y. So you do notice ukuthi and you're gonna get 2 XX and 2 XY, which is then the reason go 50-50, because u2 angithi uyayibona lento engishoyo. So then fertilization take place, then your genotype, remember your genotypes are expressed in letter form. So uthola XX as ubona la, XX abangaki abayi2, then XY bangaki bayi2. How many of them together? About 4. So you 50%, not 50%, you 50%, because then out of 4, for a male, uthola amangaki, uthola 2XX. So uthola 2 over 4 angithi uyabona. For a female as well uthola bani? Uthola 2xy phela angithi no excess 2 over 4. So if usuzokuconverta into a percentage times 100 uthola bani? 2 over 4 angithi vele u2 is half of 4, so uzothola bani? U50% chance. That is why ku50% chance, even though bengabhali wonke lawo ma steps angithi uyayibona lento engishoyo. Yes, ngiyazi ukuthi uyayibona. So then ama-marks futhi they are still the same. You could get mhlawumbe 7 la because mhlawumbe they'll be looking at percentage. Okay, so then you get your mark again for writing P1 and F1. You get a mark for writing the phenotype. You get a mark for writing the genotype. You get a mark for writing meiosis and fertilization. You get a mark for your gametes. You get a mark for your genotype, a mark for your phenotype, and you get a mark for writing this 50%. So it will depend ukuthi question out of bani, but here we are going to usunama marks amangakanani. Let's say it's out of 6, then wena uzothola total. I think it's clear.